Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a live event to a Facebook post. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create and share your live event with your audience. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the Events option and tap on it. This will take you to the Events section, where you can manage and create new events. To create a new event, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the event creation page where you can customize your event details. Now, let's focus on setting up your event's visibility. Tap on Who Can See It and choose Public if you want everyone to be able to view and join your event. If you prefer a more private setting, you can select Friends or another option that suits your needs. Next, enter the essential details for your event. Start by giving your event a name that captures its essence. Then, set the date and time for when your live event will take place. You can also add a location if it's relevant, even if it's an online event. In the Details section, provide a compelling description of what your event is about. This will help attract potential attendees and give them a clear idea of what to expect. Make sure to include any important information, such as the duration of the event or any special guests. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, tap on Create Event to finalize your setup. Your live event is now ready to be shared with your audience. You can invite friends, share the event on your timeline, or even create a Facebook Live session directly from this event page. By following these steps, you can easily create and promote your live events on Facebook, ensuring that your audience stays engaged and informed about upcoming activities. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up your Facebook Live event.